Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, baby. That's so funny. Freaking Brian Day. All right. Boom, boom. YouTube fishing fam, what is going on? It's your boy STFCTF, aka Joshy Bear, aka King Dink, out here doing it. So what I got right now, basically I'm going to do like a little review and an unboxing of a 6 cents box that I just purchased prior to fishing the US Open AZ Havasu tournament. Unfortunately, the box didn't get here in time for me to use the items. So kind of sucks, but I got home, it was here. So I'm gonna show you guys basically what I got. They did hook it up for the misplacement of shipping and it not getting here on time because I did like upgrade on purpose. And so that was a kind of a bummer and I needed the stuff. It would have helped. It really actually would have made a difference. It would have helped, I believe so. Staying warm because there's a jacket in here, that would have helped for sure. But yeah, I believe so. So let's do this, show you guys what this guy looks like. So they package it pretty nice. I mean, it's kind of fun when I'm doing that, whatever. But they package it pretty nice. That looks cute. That looks cute. Now the items in here ranged about, basically everything all together was about 300 bucks. So let's see, you know, what kind of value and what kind of deal we got going on. I got a couple kits in here. I got some jigs, some crankbaits, all kinds of stuff. Well, I'll show you, and some, yeah. So we'll jump into it. So the first thing they sent me, so this guy, rod sock, don't have any of those. I actually just learned a new trick where I was about to buy a bunch of these and I learned a new trick and now I don't even need, I mean, they're nice, but you know, anyway. So cool beans, hat, they sent me a hat. So that's nice, a little 6 cents fishing hat, that's cool. I'm digging that. Toss that one off to the side. Put that on, boom. Repping it right now, you know what I'm saying? So let's see here. I purchased a Cloud9 C20. So this thing dives 16 to 22 feet. And I actually just purchased some Sharpies so I can mark all this and put them in my box. So cool beans, dude, sexy. Sexy, I think this is gonna work in the waters we fish. One of their bags, so let's see what bag this is real quick. It's kind of cool, nice little bag. Oh dang, some nice little goodies in here. Now, I purchased a punching bag and like a big billy bag or something like that. So this has got to be the big billy bag. So in that, you're gonna get the Provoke suspending jerkbait. Dope. Boom, hybrid jig, of course, 1/2 ounce. I don't know, I think this little kit was like 29 or 30 bucks, so I'm cool with this. Nice, another hybrid jig. 1/2 ounce, and that's a good color too. Lipless crankbait. Nice little color, you know what I'm saying? A little crawly craw. Ooh, the chartreuse for the spring. This is gonna kill. I have a pretty good feeling about this. The Quake 70, guys. Quake 70, that looks good. That's gonna work in the waters for sure. Mojave and mead, no doubt about it. So again, I got more jigs in here, and some of them came in kits, some of them did not. So I'm just gonna kind of pull them out. So let's get this little guy in the corner here. So, man, swim jig. Okay, so this would have freaking, oh my gosh, we needed these so bad, dude. And that's a pretty good color too. A lot of this stuff would have came in handy, as crazy as it sounds. Another one right here. And this is the Divine Braid swim jig. I ordered these on purpose for like the heavy cover and stuff out there in the at Havasu, and I needed this. Gosh, this would have worked so well. Oh, all right, so another swim jig, Divine, 1/2 ounce. Boom. I want to take a, you know, just quick kind of deal here, but yeah, let's see here. Divine swim jig, another one, 1/2 ounce. And some of these things were like on clearance, so why not pick them up, you know? Another one right here, another swim jig, 1/2 ounce. Got another swim jig, 1/2 ounce, Divine swim jig. Dude, these things are sexy too. And then they got the little thing right there. They got that deal right there that'll hold like the little trailer you got. So this right here is the Curve 55. Beautiful colors. That's sexy, I like that. That bad boy. And this thing dives, you know, it's kind of like a, what is this? A square bill just about. But I think this is gonna work for me. I like these kind of cranks. So this is a 5 to 9. That's, yeah, that's gonna be good. Ooh, right here. I believe this, yeah, so this is also a Quake Fed 70. So this was a crawl color that was on clearance. I think it was like $3 or $2 or something, so why not, right? And you know that color's gonna work. You know that color's gonna work. Certain conditions, weather, area, all that stuff. Learned a lot when I was out there. So got a sexy shad color basically, Cloud 9. This is another deep diving crank. So 8 to 12, I love that 8 to 12 range when it comes to crankbaits. That's my favorite to throw, for sure. And then a bigger one, the Quake 80. That must have been a clearance item, that's why it's in here, because I normally wouldn't just pick this up, to be honest. But see what's up with that. I thought I got some blade baits, so they must be hiding in here somewhere or something. But let's check this thing out. So this has got to be the punch pack, power punch kit deal. So I like to get kits and that kind of deal. It's just my thing. It's cool. So in this you get silicone skirts, a 5-pack of silicone skirts. So that's pretty cool. They give you some crawls to go punching with. Or prawns. Oh, the prawns. Okay. That's dope. Obviously you see people catch with these things. And the color, I don't know about the color. It's not my style, but you know what? Let's give it a wacky attacky. They give you some flipping hooks. So it's a five-piece flipping hook. The peg stoppers, so a little kit of peg stoppers. There's 9 of them in there, so that's really nice. A huge ass tungsten weight. This pitch black tungsten. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're gonna punch into your grandma with that for sure. That's a Bruce Lee punch to the face. And then another one. Oh, okay. So this one's cool. This is a pitch black tungsten. Oh, all right. So that's why I did get this too, because what I guess you do is you take the skirt and you throw it on there, and then, you know, the weight and the skirt plus your trailer, kind of like a jig, but, and with the peg, okay. That was a good value actually. That was only like 20 bucks, 27 bucks. I'd probably pick up a couple of those because, I mean, why not? Yeah, I like that. And these little sacks are cool. I can use these for like the cameras or something if I'm going out somewhere. Now this would have came in handy a lot. And it sucks because now I'm not going to use it for a little while because we're going into spring and summer, but I needed this jacket for this tournament. Now, I got, oh man, okay. So there's more stuff in the box. I did get a Huck jacket and it did help, but this would have been so much better. So they got those black throwdowns back in stock that are wind resistant and waterproof. And man, this is exactly what I needed, guys. This would have been perfect. And this was just the best value for me in my budget, you know, without spending, unfortunately, you know, $100,000 on like bibs and stuff like that. So this was like in my price range to just test the waters, and I was gonna need a jacket anyway. But yeah, okay, that'll work great. That's gonna work perfect. So, but I'll still, you know, we'll see. I'll still take it out and test the waters and see how it is. It's got the elastic there. It's got the pin, so that would have worked out good. But yeah, the plan is still to get, you know, a really good set of bibs and a really good set, you know, of like wind-resistant coat and that kind of deal. Because I'm gonna need it, you know. I'm gonna fish more of these co-angler things. I'm gonna try to go to the Clear Lake one, man. I really want to figure that out. But I'm starting a new position. Got a job, so that's gonna, you know, we'll see what happens. But that is gonna work when I need it. Now there is some more stuff in here, so I'm excited. So let's kick this out. Oh, there's some more. Okay, that's what I thought. I was like, wait a second. So look at this big daddy. This was on clearance. The C2, and it's an 18 to 26. I could have used this weekend and probably caught something for sure, because they were deep. We caught them punching, but they were deep too. That would have been cool to throw for a little bit, just a search bait at minimum around that place, you know, to see just what happens. But that thing looks, yeah, I'm gonna bomb that. We'll see what happens with that bad boy. And then there's some more jigs in here. So this is a Divine Scrape jig. So this is a scrape grass jig, heavy duty. All right. I like the head of that thing. I like that. Just scrape that bad boy. So sexy. And I think these ones were on clearance as well for a couple bucks, so that's why I picked them up, because of the colors, you know. But yeah, another grass jig. So boom, boom. And you know, I'm not like no affiliation with 6th Sense. I just wanted to use these. try these jigs out and see, you know, what else is out there and worked. And then this guy is just a divine. Oh, this is just a hybrid jig. Okay, so this is just a hybrid. Cool. I like it. I'm digging that. So that was a cool box. I like the items that I got. I think, you know, I loaded up a little bit of tackle here and got some cool stuff. And I think it's gonna work too. These are gonna really work right there. But these are gonna be big fish items. I'm not sure about this provoke, dude. I don't really like the color of it, but I'm gonna throw it and see what happens. But I don't like the color personally. I would like more natural, but we'll see what happens. Now I thought I ordered like blade baits, but I'm guessing these are like the blade baits, these thuds, these lipless cranks. And that's not really what I was expecting, so I'm a little upset about that, to be completely honest, but it's all good, man. It's all good. Wasn't a whole total disappointment. I'm gonna really use that punch and stuff though. I'm gonna have fun with that this year. I gotta order more because I'm gonna break off for sure. But I did get a flippin' stick. So I had an issue with my gear, unfortunately, out there, and let me time check. Yeah, so I had an issue with my gear out there as well. So like my new SLX Shimano DC, that whole setup that I just got, the first eyelid had a tear in it, so it was like launching my baits. I re-spooled, launching my baits, because I thought it was maybe just a bad spool of braid, you know, so I put more braid. And it's the top eyelid, and yeah, so shout out to Rob Moran. You're not my sponsor, but you are my sponsor, because you hooked me up, and my wife's my sponsor too. But you hooked me up, man, and he let me, you know, it's new, but so it's under warranty, but I switched it out, and I was able to pretty much upgrade, in my opinion. So I went to a 7.5, from a 7 to a 7.5 stick. So I'm definitely going back out to Havasu, especially for like spawning season. That's about to be fun, bedding season. So I'm gonna be planning some trips here in April to go out there. And then try to go to Clear Lake, and then for sure I'm going to the Open, because I'm in that. So rough, man. It was rough. As far as the unboxing, back to that. I'm definitely going to use this stuff. It's going to come in handy, and it's going to work this year for sure. Fishing Mojave, this stuff is going to be fantastic. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this little deal here. Thank you guys for subscribing, checking me out, doing my thing, doing your thing, watching me do my thing, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate you guys. Hit the like button, because I don't know how to do that yet, or I guess I'm too lazy, but I gotta put that in there. But bing, you know, bing. Cool 6 cents hat, like that. Yeah, I'm excited, man. I get my boat back soon, so that's about to happen. But again, thank you guys for subscribing. I love you guys so much. This is what you can get from 6 cents for about 300 bucks. Just an assorted, crazy deal, just random stuff of jigs and cranks and stuff like that. That'll work for me in the way I fish. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you guys. If you're new, subscribe. Again, still hit me up for these wristbands. I'm starting to send them out. Unfortunately, I got a little delayed, but I'm gonna hook you guys up a little bit more. But yeah, wristbands are still there, and I love you guys. You guys are the magic. You can make it happen one click at a time. STFCTF, YouTube Fishing Fam. God bless.